So the four-cylinder engine has three different parts. It has the drive shaft, the camshaft, and the pistons. And the way it works is that the drive shaft will rotate, and it brings these pistons, like these two go up at the same time, and then these two go up at the same time, and these two go down at the same time, and these two go down at the same time. And they're inverse of each other, so whenever these two are up, these two are down. And so the perpetual motion of that causes this causes the gear over here connected to a belt to spin this gear up here, which will control these valves up here. And the valves, one of them will inject fuel into the system, and then the other will take all the exhaust out. And I'll go over how that works here in just a second. So the first stage of each individual piston is injection, and this is simply when the piston, the injection piston, injects the engine with fuel. And so the fuel air mixture will come into the cylinder, and so the pressure from injecting it will push the piston down. And then the next stage is compression, and keep in mind at the time this is going on, the cylinder right next to it is hitting the top and is going through combustion, which is the next cycle. So that'll force this cylinder up, since this one over here is going down. And so what that does is that it causes compression of the fuel inside and compresses it together in a really tight space. And as soon as the piston gets up to the top, the spark plug goes off and it ignites the fuel with electricity, and then that causes the fuel to rapidly expand, pushing the